the error of failed to load custom.dll from the list, and it is quite simple. You need to simply go to your search and here type in for settings and open up settings. And once you're inside here, just go to privacy and security. Click on Windows security. Inside here, click on virus and threat protection. So basically, usually your Windows Defender or any other antivirus is blocking this file to load, and that's why your game doesn't load. So once you are inside virus and threat protection, go down to the bottom. Go here in virus and threat protection setting, click on manage setting, go down to the bottom and click on add or remove exclusions. Click on yes. Add an exclusion, click folder. Now you need to select the folder where the game is installed. For example, this GTA 5. So just go and select it. And once you have selected the folder, in most of the cases, now if you go and open up the game, it would work. In some of the cases, the antivirus also deletes the file. So to fix that, what you need to do is you need to go to the home. Again, go to virus and threat protection. And you need to go to manage setting. And first, you need to make sure that you turn off this real time protection. Just go and turn it off. And now you need to reinstall or re-extract the game. So if you add that game in a zip folder, just go and re-extract the game and make sure this is turned off. And again, once you have re-extracted the game, you need to again go to the virus and threat protection, manage setting. And first you need to add it to exclusion. So again, add the new folder where you have installed the game to the exclusion and now run the game. It would work for sure. Hope this video has helped you out to fix this error code 126 failed to load custom.dll. But before you go, please like the video.